Happy Sunday, Toppers family! It's time again for my top 3 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore USA and Topperzstore Europe. And boy, oh boy, another crazy week. Hard to select, but I already know what's coming up in the next week. So, I'm already pretty afraid by selecting just 3 hats from every store because the next weeks are going to be even more heavy. And this would not be possible without you guys. I would like to thank every one of you for your crazy support. We are keep pushing and giving everything for you guys. So let's have a look and let's start with Topperzstore USA. And I would like to start with my 3rd place this week. And this was a drop in my stream on Monday, Cap Talk, the Trash Pandas, and this is a beauty. Real tree, then you got the Trash Panda script in the front, and take a look at these details. This metallic pewter and metallic blue is absolutely amazing. You got the Trash Panda on the side, and then you got this flat MLB Batman on the back. Gray UV, white guts. The Trash Pandas, my 3rd place this week from Topperzstore USA. Then my 2nd place this week, and I guess this is a collectible. I'm not sure if we can redo that in the future. And it looks super vintage. Gray UV, black guts, the Utah Hockey Club. I mean, come on. Navy Dome, then you got this powder blue button, and you got this Utah Hockey Club script in the front. Even though they are new, this looks like a super nice vintage hat, and this metallic silver outline makes it really special. Inaugural season side patch, and then you got the NHL shield on the back. As I already said, I guess this is going to be a collectible because I don't think if we can redo that again, and you should have it in your collection if you like to collect NHL fitted hats. Now, okay, I'm a little bit biased about my number 1, that's for sure. And when I saw this the first time, I was like, oh my god, this hat is so clean, but it's so special at the same time. We got we got a gray UV and white guts, and this pops off so crazy. We added metallic blue to that, and then you got this 2-color NY New York Mets logo in the front, and then you got this metallic blue details. When you're going out into the sun, this looks really, really amazing. And now, look at this Shea Stadium side patch. And this thing, even though, so you got the metallics in the Shea, but look at the white. This looks so crazy. It looks so crazy and so good. This is a super clean hat, but the cascading logo and the Shea Stadium side patch, I mean, this makes it really, really special. And then you got the Cooperstown baddie on the back, and yeah, clean hat, beautiful, gray UV, white guts. So this is my 1st place this week from Topperzstore USA. Let's go over to Topperzstore Europe, and my 3rd place this week is an NHL hat. And it's a crazy one. So we got a gray UV, we got this throwback Nashville Predators, and attached to the colors you can see some metallic details, silver outline, and then everything is attached to that beautiful camo brim, dark green crown, camo brim button, and then you got I Believe in Smashville as a side patch, also in that colors with the brown, and this goes so well together on this whole hat. And then you got the NHL vintage shield on the back. This is my 3rd place this week from Topperzstore in Europe. My 2nd place this week, and it came out even better than I ever thought it will look like, and it looks really amazing. So we got this white out Chicago White Sox chrome dome, black button visor, white logo in the front, and then this is the first time that we are using that World Series champion side patch. This looks amazing with the pink, regular pink, wild pink, and then you also have this Cooperstown baddie on the back with black, white, and pink. And of course, you got a pink UV with the black guts on this beautiful Chicago White Sox with the World Series champions side patch. This is my 2nd place this week from Topperzstore in Europe. Now my 1st place, and this is probably one of my favorite Rangers hats of all time, right? And we cannot do the set-in anymore at the moment. So gray UV, black guts, and look at this, super clean. Black crown, black satin visor button. Then you got this super shiny New York Rangers silver metallic pewter logo in the front. And this side patch pops off really, really good. All-Star Game 1994 with the Lady Liberty in the different color. And all the rest is like in this dark pewter, beautiful metallic silver, super shiny. And then you got the NHL shield on the back. Beautiful hat, the New York Rangers, black satin brim. My first place this week from Topperzstore in Europe. Let me know if you agree with my selections or if you have a complete different selection. Which hats did you cop this week? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to join the Topperzstore family, just hit the subscribe button. It's totally free and it will help the channel a lot. I would like to thank you guys, and of course, if you like the video, also hit the like button. And if you want to join our community and want to discuss with other hat collectors, join our Discord. The link is directly below in the description. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys next Monday. So not this Monday, the Monday after, because this Monday there will be no stream. We are still dropping hats, but we are moving over to the United States for the 2nd year anniversary at Mount Haven. So there will be no stream tomorrow, but there will be a stream in the new studio 1 week after that, and then we see us again on Cap Talk. I can't wait to see you guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'm out. Bye.